Welcome to Rainbow Loom Lesson 2, the triple single. So in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you to make the triple single bracelet. So, let's get started. To start off, I'm using blue rubber bands and white rubber bands and then a dark shade of blue rubber bands. So let's get started. Take one blue rubber band and go from this pin to that pin, like that. Then go in a straight single chain all the way down the loom until this pin. Then I'll show you what to do. Almost there. Alright, now that we've reached that point, we're going to take another rubber band and go from here to here. Like this. Your loom should look like that so far. Now that we got that side done, we're doing the same thing, but on this side of the loom. Trying to untwist my band, by the way. Whenever your bands are twisted, try to untwist them before you place them on the loom, because once they get looped together, it's kind of hard to fix it. So I recommend if your bands are twisted up like this, then I recommend you just twist them around until they're your desired shape, and then you put them on the loom. So yeah. So I just recommend that to make your bracelet look much better than it would have if you had twisted bands. So, yeah. So now that we have got that done, that's what it should look like. Sorry, it's a little hard to see because the base of the loom is blue. But, yeah. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a single chain of white bands. So one white rubber band starting here and going all the way down the rainbow loom, all the way down the rainbow loom. Just in a straight line. Don't do anything else until I tell you. If you know how to do the bracelet now, then you can do something. But yeah. It's alright if you want to skip ahead me putting the bands on the loom. So, 2 more bands to place. 1 and 2. Alright. So, that is what your loom should look like. A row of blue rubber bands, a row of white rubber bands, and then another row of blue rubber bands. So it should be blue, white, blue. Like this. There you go. And then we're going to take this darker shade of blue, which is kind of like navy blue. We're going to just put it right here, and we're just going to do triangles down the loom, like this. Some people put the across bands, like when I'm doing the darker blue bands, they put them across differently every time. So, but this is the way I do it usually. So please no hate in the comments saying you're not doing that right. It will turn out the same way. Don't worry about it. Okay? So, yeah. So, just continue doing this until you reach the end of the loom, and I'll show you what it will look like when you're done. By the way, I'm using the mixed opaque rubber bands from Rainbow Loom's website. So you're like, oh no, there's not another space for the triangle. You don't put it across these 3 pins, you just put 1 band across these. Okay? So I'll show you how to do that. You just go like this. That's simple. So, but that's not it for the placing. We're almost done. We have one simple thing. Can you guess what it is? Bet you can. It's another light blue rubber band. So what we do is we twist it into a figure 8, fold it back upon itself, and place it right here across this pin. So like that. So that thing's called a cap band. Okay? In charms, you sometimes wrap it around 3 times. But yeah, let's get started with the looping. I'm going to turn the camera around like this so it'll be easier for you guys to see my looping. Alright, so let's get started. Pull back the cap band and grab the white rubber band from underneath the cap band and pull it forward, like that. Next, go back behind the cap band, grab the first blue rubber band on top, and bring it to the left, like that. Then go in again, grab that last blue band, and bring it to the right, like that. Next thing you want to do is you want to just go down in a single chain, down the loom on the blue side. I'll show you what to do next. Don't go on to the other blue side. See, I accidentally grabbed that blue band. I'm going to place it back where it was before. No worries. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. Yay, it didn't mess it up. Alright, that's good. Alright, so let's go along. Sorry it's taking me a little longer to do this. I haven't really done the triple single in a while, so bear with me. So yeah. So I wouldn't have to say it at the end of the video. Please subscribe, comment, and leave a like on this video. And also in the comments, please just request some videos for me to do, because I keep on trying to come up with ideas, but I just can't figure anything out, so I thought it would be nice if you guys will help me. And please subscribe, because a subscriber a day keeps the doctor away. So I know a lot of you hate going to the doctor's office, so subscribe. But yeah. Alright, so next thing, you want to go in the middle row, starting at the end, at the excuse me, at the start of the loom again. Grab that first white band and continue on in a straight line down the loom. Once you're done with that, I'll show you what to do. I think, in my opinion, that the middle row is the easiest one to do. The easiest one ever. You guys might agree too. So, next one, we're going to do this row, okay? So, I'm trying to hurry up as fast as I can, so, because I don't want this video to be too long. Because who wants to waste, 50 minutes of their time, you know? So, yeah, I'm trying to make it as short as possible. I know it's already at 9 minutes and 50 seconds, isn't it? So, yeah. So, well, now it is, okay. So, I'm continuing down with the light blue rubber bands, and I'm almost done. So, yeah. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed making this bracelet, but we're not done yet. We're almost done. We're so close. Alright, stop. Stop what you're doing. Alright, ready? Pull back, grab the last band, and pull it to here. Yay, we're done looping. But there's one last important part. That cannot be, when it comes off the loom, it's going to be that big around. And I guarantee you that nobody's wrist is that small. Not even mine. My wrist is like a little bit bigger than that, but yeah. So, we come down. I don't like extending on the loom. I like extending with one pin. So this is how you do it. You take your hook. It's not that hard. Pull it out to the side. Take a light blue rubber band. Pull it through. Twist your hook around. And put both ends on the hook. Okay? Like that. Next, you take this, another band. Depends on how many bands you need. This is just an extension. I usually do 5 or 4 bands. So, yeah. Four. 5. I'm going to do one more because sometimes with the bigger bracelets like the triple single and the starburst, I like them a little bit more loose. So I'm going to put on 6 rubber bands. Okay? Just measure your wrist because every rubber band that you put will be at least 1 centimeter. So measure your wrist and then you'll know how many rubber bands to do. So then you release it from your hook and just keep it like that. Then you can put it on your hook when you're grabbing C-clip, like I am. But I don't want to use a C-clip. Personally, I like S-clips better. Alright, then you take it off the hook, meet both sides together, 2 fingers in the center, snap that S-clip on there, or C-clip, whichever one you're using, then carefully remove it from the loom. Next, go over here, find your cap band, and snap that S-clip right there. There you have your triple single rainbow loom bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!